What a wild 12 hours it has been. Remember how I talked about this week being kind of chaotic? Well, we've started to see the early chaos. We have seen BTC crush through expectations last night. In fact, we liquidated hundreds of millions of dollars worth of short positions. And because of that, BTC is leading the way on this breakout. You guys can see that happening here in the charts. Again, we had our bullish momentum. We have our explosive breakout here. And again, if you guys have not used my indicator, check it out. The link's in the description below. People that are using this are seeing very, very nice movements right now, even in terms of BTC. But what really caused this was this, you guys can see on this heat map here, right? All this short leverage positions right here, we cut through these like butter. We made these people look very, very stupid. Like I said, people that are betting against the market, especially at these times where it wants to move up, they are not very smart. They do not like money. Okay. Now, what's great about this is SHIB is in this position to have an explosive breakout. We are right on the edge, guys. We are so close. We tapped it. We actually broke slightly above it, kind of similarly to what we did here back at the end of March. So now it's just a question. Do we get this little drop before our pop? Do we just explode out of here? That's kind of the big question. We're waiting for that bullish momentum confirmation, which kind of like we saw back here, right? Same way. Okay. Now know this, because of how quickly BTC escaped from these levels, it's possible this could be a fake out. All right. We could come back down. We could pop back in here and putz around before doing something like that. It's possible we could break down from there. It's tough to say really, but all I know is that we have now set a little bit higher of a local high here, right? Our local high was about 71.3 at this level. We had really struggled against that. Now we're kind of up in no man's land. All right. We are back in on approaching that prior all-time high. I can't draw for crap with my mouse, guys. I apologize. But what this means for SHIB is if we do get that explosive move, I would not be surprised if SHIB starts making some pretty wild moves. If it tries to retest 4034, if it tries to retest 4037, those are kind of our next ranges. If BTC has the push in this, like I think it does, then we could be talking some insane stories over the course of this week. This chaos might be even more chaotic. All right. BTC has the potential to hit a new all-time high this week. That's what I'm just going to say. Throw that out there. It's very possible right now, guys, this move for BTC is only about, So I think it's only about like 1.5% is what I was seeing. A 1.5% move for BTC means a new all-time high. What is that going to do for alts? Well, we're getting very close to this time where alts are going to begin gaining dominance versus BTC. Don't be surprised if we start getting some, let's say, okay. So I think BTC is going to set a new all-time high. I think that, we end up somewhere in this 72 to 78K range pre-halving. And it would not surprise me if it slows down, alts start gaining some ground. That would actually make a lot of sense, but we won't know until the charts play out. So just know that this week it's going to be wild one way or the other, right? Even if we get some retracements and pull down, we're going to be in massive volatility throughout the week. So do not panic, be prepared, and get excited for what's to come. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.